Now this figure 18-64 deals with the procedures for calculating the load in amps to size the conductors for a bypass drive system. Now, notice the drive or bypass conductor should not be less than 125% of the rated input current or the motor's full load current rating per 430.6a in accordance with 430.122b and c. Now, notice the bypass device, we can read about it in 430.122b and c of the code. The procedure for sizing the copper conductors is calculating the load. So 430.122b and c, we take 110 amps times 125%, which is the motor, and we would come up with 137.5 amp. To select the conductors, we'd reference table 310.16, and 137.5 amps requires a 1-aught AWG THWN copper conductor. So the solution, 1-aught THWN copper conductors would be required, and it would not matter how you did the calculation. You're going to come up with a 1-aught, either based upon 430.6 of the code or 430.122b and c.